Okay, so yesterday you asked me about the CT and window functions na. So
Yes,
I
bro.
gathered like I consolidated few questions on CT, three examples on CT and few interview
Hmm.
questions on few interview questions like normal interview questions on
Okay, okay,
SQL.
okay.
Then I'll share my screen
Because
and
why I'm asking this is like if they ask another like coding regarding to this select joins subqueries that and all, I'm able to like somewhat think and like code it and that and all. But when it comes to this Windows function, I'm like stucking or don't know what to do. Like that it is happening, bro.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that is the thing that
Yeah, yeah. First, let's try to complete this CT. What is the CT? And in simple terms, like we can complete this in like by looking at three examples. That is more than
okay.
enough. You will understand if you see these three
Okay, okay, bro.
examples.
Mm.
I'm sharing my screen
You
entire
sharing
screen.
now? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Just
Mm.
a second. Okay.
Mm.
So I consolidated this yesterday because you asked me this CTE na. So I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
this CTE, but even I know if I want to explain it to you in simple language, I should consolidate. I should have some examples na. So I took it
Mm.
from ChatGPT itself. That's it.
Okay,
So
okay. Mm.
yeah. Uh, First of all, CD, the definition, common table expression.
Common table
At
expression.
the end, you have this expression. That
Mm-hmm.
expression is nothing but one select query. You take any select
Okay.
query.
Mm.
Let's say a normal select query, select star from table X. Like let's say X,
Mm.
select star from X. So
Okay.
you can wrap this at you can wrap this entire query in one table, and you can give that
Mm.
the name of the table is like whatever you want you can give like with CTE as let's say with
Mm.
Rohit as like round braces. In the round braces, if you
Mm.
put select star from X, then
Mm.
that table will become Rohit. The name of the table is Rohit, and
Mm.
you can query on the table. So this is
Okay.
the simple
Mm.
definition. If you see one
Mm-hmm.
example now, you will understand. Let's say see you see this table employee ID, employee name,
Okay.
salary,
Employee name, salary is there. Mm.
is there now. So see the query with he used this syntax. I'm talking about this syntax only with
Mm.
CTE
Mm.
as I'm
Mm.
telling is a CTE because you can name whatever you want. You can name
Okay.
X
Mm.
Y Z A B C D
Our name
Rohit
only what
Hari,
we
yeah,
give.
whatever you want
Mm.
relevant to that you can put it here. So with average
Mm.
salary as C, this is the bracket opening and bracket closing, and within this
Mm.
braces whatever round brackets, within this round brackets whatever you writing the query, that
Mm.
query output will be like if you do the
Will
select
be
average,
stored. Okay. Mm.
it will be as, and the name of the table is average salary. Okay,
Average salary.
here he is using select average salary as average salary from employees. What it
Mm-hmm.
will do, do you know what it
Mm.
will do? What is this
That's
query?
what it will get the average salary, right?
Yeah, average salary
Of
is
the
50
whole
70
yeah,
50 70
yeah.
90 60 divided by
90
4.
60 divided by 4. Yeah.
Yeah, that output it will return.
Yes, yes.
So only one row, only one column,
Mm.
and the name of the column is average salary, and the
Average
name of the
salary it'll
table
get.
is average salary.
Average salary.
Now
Okay, it'll
you
store
can
as average salary.
salary.
Okay.
Yes, now you can use this average salary as average salary table
Mm.
outside the like braces. See here, now look at
Okay.
this example. Okay,
Mm.
from here to here you like but see
Mm.
here in do you know cross join?
Cross join. Yeah, yeah, cross join.
What is cross join?
Cross join means how, bro? Like,
Okay,
no,
so
left to
you
right only. I know self
you know,
join.
yeah, inner left
Ah,
right full
yeah.
outer join, but this
Mm-hmm.
is cross join. It is like Cartesian product. Let's say see we have 1 2 3 4 now, 4 rows now.
Mm. Yes.
If you do this thing, let's say the average is, let's say 67,500. See
Okay.
the output will be like this. Name of the column is average sal, right? So
Uh-huh.
this is the name of the column, and what is the table name?
Mm. Average salary.
So
Yeah.
okay, this is the query's output is this now. So
Mm.
this average salary is there now. This is one
Mm.
table. This is one table, right? So you are doing
Okay.
the cross
Mm.
join this table with this table. What
Mm.
is going to happen means, so in this we have only one
One
row, one
value.
column
Mm.
na. So
Only
this
one
one
only.
yeah,
Mm.
this 67,500 will be in the first row, second row, third row,
Uh,
and fourth row.
everything. Oh, cross join means 50 and 67,500 will compare. 70 and
No,
this
no,
it will
no
compare.
comparison. Like you imagine one more column, and the
Join.
name of the column is average sal.
Okay.
And like what are the values in this? We need four values, right? And those
Mm-hmm.
four values are 67,500 only.
Okay.
67,500. This is the output of the Cartesian product. I mean this cross join. Cartesian
Yeah.
product. It is nothing but Cartesian product.
Okay, okay. Cross
67,000.
join means what it will do is if a single value is there, it will give every.
Not just single value.
Not
You
like
take
that also.
anything. Like you can
Okay.
do like you have this employee ID 1 2 3 4. Now you take
Yeah.
let's say you take for example another employee ID. Anything you can take anything like name.
Hmm.
You can take name Hari Rohit.
Hmm.
Now what it
Okay.
will do? Mm, so this is one column. Now if you can
Hmm.
join these two tables, now the output will be here. You can put it as name. Now
Hmm.
it will be more rows because see one will be assigned to Hari, and one will be one Hari,
Ah.
one Rohit, and
Ah.
again two Hari, two Rohit, three Hari, three
Hmm.
Rohit, four Hari, four Rohit.
Hmm. Yeah,
So
yeah,
it is
yeah.
going to increase. So these are four records now. 4 into 2, how
Hmm.
much it is? 4 into 2,
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, bro. Okay, got it. Like
8
one
records.
record itself two times. Like what
Mm,
are all is there? Everything it'll join,
mm,
join, join,
yeah,
join, join. Okay, okay,
yeah.
okay. Got
So
it. Hmm.
if you do, if remember only one thing, cross join
Mm-hmm.
is nothing but Cartesian product, and it will
Hmm.
increase the number of rows. How many rows it
Okay.
will come? The output of the rows depends on
May
the
fan fan.
4 into 2.
Ah. Okay.
Here like here the number of records is 4, here the number of
Four.
records are 2, so
Two.
4 into
Hmm.
2 8. That is the
Hmm.
cross join. In our case
Okay.
we have only one value now, so that is why we
Mm-hmm.
will have only 4 records. See, these are 4 records and this is one record. Now 4
Yeah,
into
yeah,
1
yeah.
only one record. This is the
Hmm.
cross join output. I'm just
Okay,
explaining the
bro.
cross join output. See
Okay,
now,
okay.
we are talking about CTE expression now. So with
Mm-hmm.
CTE, so he used here CTE, see average
Hmm.
salary he used, and
Hmm.
he named it as A. And here the requirement is here what the requirement is very simple. Whose salary is greater than average salary? So
Hmm.
60. So the we already calculated the average salary. How much it is? 67,500.
67,500.
uh,
Hmm.
whose salary is greater than 67,500? It
Hmm.
is Simran and Aman. So
Yeah.
Simran's
Hmm.
salary is more than
70,000. Hmm. Yeah.
67,500, and
Hmm.
Aman's
Aman
salary
also. More
90,000
than.
more
Hmm.
than. So that is the output we are getting here. So
Okay,
in
okay,
simple
okay,
language,
bro. Uh-huh.
we can use this CTE
Hmm.
outside the brackets, and we can
Okay.
do whatever we want to do.
Uh-huh.
So that is a simple CTE.
Okay,
This
okay,
is
okay.
one
Got it,
example.
bro. Okay. Hmm.
And see, look at this example. You know this example. It is the second highest
Ah, yeah,
salary.
yeah, yeah. Second highest. I know this. This also I know. Like how they are doing. I know. Okay,
Yeah.
using CTE also
See,
I know this
salary
one.
rank. See,
Mm-hmm.
you see the salary rank. So
Yes.
this is the
Mm.
name of the table, but
Mm.
with like in
Mm.
common table, whatever the
Mm.
select query, I can say select
Mm.
expression or select query. That
Okay.
is CTA
Mm.
expression at the end is there na common table expression.
Expression.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the table and this is the
Mm.
expression. He is wrapping
Okay.
this entire expression in single table, this
Single.
table.
Ah.
Yeah,
Select rank. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
this output
Employee
will be
ID.
you
Ah.
can call it as also like this is the table name. Now you can also call it as like you should not call, but in simple terms it is a variable. It is a variable holding this output.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, select output. So
Okay.
then yeah, you can select emp name cell from this table where rank
Mm.
equal to 2. Yeah, like
Okay.
that it will
Mm.
be there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you guess what is the output of this select query? Like
Dense rank with salary. Okay. Okay. By salary. Yes. Ah. That's what, bro. The last
yeah,
Aman will come, right?
no. What
Ah.
is the output of only this query? Here itself you can see now.
Oh, okay,
Employee name,
okay. The
salary,
employee name, salary, and
and
rank.
rank
Okay,
1 2 3
okay,
4.
okay.
This is the output.
Hmm. Okay, this
This is the
output you're
question
saying.
actually.
Okay.
This is the input
Mm-hmm.
data set. If you fire
Okay.
this query again on this data set,
Mm.
you will get this
Okay, you will get
output.
that one. And when the outer query also performs,
Uh,
we will get that below one employee name. Okay, okay.
not just the outer query. You have to run this
Mm.
entire query.
No, no, that's what I'm saying
Uh,
is if I run this outer query, this whole like who is the second like
mm,
highest we'll get to
mm,
know. Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah.
got it.
So we can do this in normal way also, but
Mm.
as we are discussing about CTE, this is the
Mm.
use case. I mean,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
how we use the
Okay.
CTE in like
Okay,
some
okay.
SQL thing. But CTE is also
Mm-hmm.
very much important.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
When I'm telling you about how to learn SQL, I forgot
Mm.
to tell you this CTL. However, you asked about this CTE. Yeah, this
Mm.
CTE is very important. Now
Important.
you will
Okay.
see the importance of CTE in this example. See, example
Mm.
3. So this is the
Mm.
interview question, and this is the tricky one, and this is also the
Okay.
most important and interesting one also. And this is the
Okay.
in the real world scenarios we can use this example.
Mm-hmm.
So you
Mm.
may not understand this query. Now let me switch it to this one.
Mm.
um, let me see. Now focus on this input data set. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
now
Order
the
ID,
question.
customer ID,
Hmm,
order date, order amount. Okay. Mm.
the question is very simple.
Mm.
Few people who are the repeated customers, who are the new customers. So let's take
Mm.
here a simple example. This is the 10th date, forget about the month and year. So 10th date,
Mm.
on 10th
Okay.
date, how many people
Mm.
visited? One, two, three people visited,
Mm.
and these
Mm.
three people are new customers now. So
Yeah, everything. Mm.
how the output should be, you will understand in a bit, in couple of minutes. So
Mm.
on 10th, we have three visitors, I mean three
Ah.
new customers. So
Ah.
how
Yeah.
many old customers on that day? Zero.
Zero.
Okay, and
Mm.
coming to
Okay.
11, again on
Ah.
11, if you see, if you
One now
understand.
one is the old customer. Yeah.
Yeah, so two new
Mm.
customers, one old customer,
Yeah,
and
old
again
customer.
on 12th we
And
have
12th,
some
one old customer.
one
Yeah,
old
two not
customer
two
and
is the
one
old
new
customer.
customer.
One new customer.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the input data set. Let me show
Mm-hmm.
you the output data set also. Expected output is, yeah, this is the expected output. See, on
Okay.
10th
Mm.
we have three new customers.
Oh, repeating zero.
Zero.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. Got it, got it. Got
yeah,
the question, bro. Mm.
this is the
Question.
requirement,
Okay.
and this is
Mm.
also in real world cases also they will use this
They'll
one.
ask this.
Now
Okay,
how
okay.
to
Mm.
achieve this one using
Mm.
SQL? So that is
SQL.
the question. So
Mm.
now, okay, we understood. But
Mm.
here, you know the expected output also.
Yes,
So
yes, yes. Mm.
first, I'll tell you a tip, because in the
Mm.
beginning I mean, if you think
Ah, it
through
will
this
be
one a
difficult to
lot, like
process. Yeah.
30
Time
minutes, 1
will
hour.
go. Mm. Yeah.
Only, and also if you know very well, if you know a skill very
Mm.
well, then you can
Okay.
solve this by thinking for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay, okay. Mm.
But if you don't know a skill, that will be very difficult. So here
Uh-huh.
the hint is, first you have to calculate the uh, like uh, first date. Like, let's talk about this 101 customer. What is the
Mm.
first date, like when he visited the store or whatever it is, website or anything. Let's take store. This
Mm.
customer ID, like
Mm.
this customer, when he visited the first time.
Ah,
By
10
looking at the data set, we can say
date.
on
Yeah.
10th he visited
10th.
the first time.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
and
Mm.
202 also visited the first time. Okay, so you understood
Mm.
now. You have to
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
find the first order date
First date.
of that first,
Mm.
of that particular customer.
Okay.
So
Mm.
here, in simple way, this is the four columns now. Imagine the
Mm.
fifth column, that is first
Mm.
order date or minimum
Ah,
order date. How you will get
okay.
the first order date? If you do the minimum, you will get now.
Mm.
Let's say you have only two records, 101 and 101, 1 and 4. Focus on this order ID 1 and 4. Okay, you
Okay.
have only two records. You have
Mm.
this order date 10 and 11. Okay,
Mm.
now if
Okay.
I want you to find the minimum of the order date, what you will do? Minimum, I already
Mm.
directly told you, select customer ID comma minimum of order date
Yeah,
from
yeah.
X.
Mm.
If you do that, what it
Mm.
will return? 101, and this 10
Mm.
will be written. No, no,
Yes.
not the
Mm.
11.
Like the starting date will be written.
So the
Yeah.
input data
Mm.
set is two records, the output data set
Mm-hmm.
is only one record.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Mm.
finally, what I'm saying means, you
Mm.
have to add one more column here. Okay, and
Okay.
that
Mm.
column, like 101, it should be
Mm.
point to 10, like this should be there. And also from
Okay.
10,
Mm.
see this fourth record, this
Mm-hmm.
fifth column, and it
Mm.
should also point to 10 only. I mean, we should
Mm.
have that value. See, I'll show you the
Mm.
output how it should be. See, this is how it should be. See, the first, see, this is the first order date now. See, this is
Mm.
the first
Yes.
order date. And
Okay.
also focus on this, yeah, this second record. See, 101,
Mm.
101. And second time he visited, when he visited on 10th, and he visited again
Mm.
on 11th. But this
Mm.
11 also should point to 10 only.
Mm.
You understood now? You
Yes, yes,
understood,
yes.
or you
Got it, got it.
confused?
Got it, got it. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
I understand, bro. Like the
yeah.
first order when
Mm.
he purchased, that
Mm.
should be
That
like
should be
okay, okay.
there
Got it.
for this
Ah.
customer ID. We
Mm.
just want the first order date. Now
Yeah.
you see, you have seen this output now. Now
Mm.
let's try to write the query for this one. See, this is the
Mm.
query in
Okay.
simple way.
Mm.
Select
Mm-hmm.
you in by this you will also understand about this window functions also. See
Mm.
here the
Mm.
see
Over is coming. Okay.
see, this is the output. Okay, you remember this
Mm.
output, and
Yes.
how to achieve this from that input data set. How to achieve by writing
Mm.
simply like this. Select star. What it will do? It will select
Mm.
all the columns from 1 2 3 4 here. 1 2 3 4.
Mm.
All the columns will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
Till now it is
Okay.
done. Comma.
Mm.
What we want in all these columns. Focus on this third column. This is the order date. We want the minimum of order date. Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
minimum. Okay, if you say the minimum, if you look at this entire one, it will give 10 only, it will give one record only, but you have to do the partition by.
Mm.
See, because for 101 the minimum order date is different, for 202
Yes.
it might be
Mm.
different. Here it is
Different.
same, but
Mm.
here focus on this 409 for
Ah, it is different.
yeah,
11th, right? Yeah.
I'm telling you, if
Mm.
you do not use the partition by, it will
Mm-hmm.
return 10 only. Okay, 10 is fine.
Oh,
10 is for
okay.
whom? Like 10 is for 101.
One, but not
But
for
for
409.
so that
Yeah.
is why you have to use this
Mm.
partition by.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
then you are
Mm.
done. And one more thing is they might ask, oh shit, just a second, just a
Charge,
second.
bro. Yeah, yeah, charge.
Yeah, so okay, you understood now?
Mm, yeah, bro.
Yeah, so that is how we achieve that output. Now okay, now we have this output now. From this we have to get the required output. How you can get, see, by this example you are learning about CTE, you are learning about window functions, and you are
Mm.
learning about this case statement also.
Yeah. Mm.
So this is a simple one good example of learning all these three, covering three concepts in one
Everything.
example.
Mm.
See,
Yes,
now
yes,
you
yes.
understood the CTE, right?
Mm. Yes, bro.
Ah, okay. See, now from the CTE, see the name of the table I put it as CTE. So
Mm-hmm.
here, see, focus on this 73rd row. I mean
Mm.
73rd line.
Okay.
From CTE, I'm using
From
from
CTE.
CTE.
Mm.
That is good. Okay, fine. And
Okay.
I'm using this group by also.
Group by
Hmm.
order data.
Order date. So
Mm.
73rd line, 4th line, 5th line is clear. And the
Mm.
69th line is very simple, it is select query. Select, I mean just
Mm.
select. And now what you are selecting? You are selecting three. three columns,
mm,
and first column name is order date, you know that order date, and
mm,
second column name is count new, but we do not have this count new in this
mm.
C. Do
Yeah,
you
it
have?
is not there. Count
So
news not
what I
there.
told you earlier, case statement is nothing
Mm,
but if you want to add some new column, we can use this case statement. So
mm-hmm.
this count new is derived from the as a case statement, okay? And
Yeah,
this
yeah.
count
Mm.
old also is derived from the case statement. Now
Okay.
what it is doing? So let me explain from the data set. See what that
Mm,
case statement is doing means. Let me
mm-hmm.
talk about this first count new. What it is
Mm.
doing means, see, what is this order date? 2023 to
23
10
to
na?
10.
What is
Yeah,
the
to
first
10.
order date? Same.
23 to 10. Same.
if
Yeah.
if it is same, if they are
Mm.
same, you
Mm-hmm.
add one more column, and in that column, for this
Mm.
101, for this first record, you have to put 1, okay?
Okay.
If it is
Mm.
not same, you have to put 0.
Mm.
Understood? If these two
Yeah,
are
yeah, yeah.
same, you
Got it.
put 1. If
Ah,
these
put
two
one.
are not same,
Mm.
put 0.
Then
That is
don't add anything. Zero. Yeah.
0. So that
Mm.
is why I already told you, see, everything is connected. That is why I already told
Mm.
you, if you know the Excel, you will know the
Mm.
SQL. If you know the
Yeah,
SQL, you will
right.
know the
SQL
PySpark.
PySpark.
Because this
Mm.
simple requirement, using this if
Mm.
statement in Excel, you will get it easily.
Yes, yes,
If you
yes.
know Excel
True.
very well. So that is why
Mm.
I suggested you first Excel. Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
these two
Mm.
are same, so it will return 1.
Mm.
These two are not
Okay.
same, it will return 0, something like
Mm.
that. See, output
Yeah.
also you see here. See, I mean here it is not in the not aligned way, so focus on
Mm.
this one, okay? This one
Okay.
zero, last but one column. See,
Okay,
the name
okay.
of
Mm.
the column is here, they have put new customer. See, one
Ah.
zero one zero one one one. How it is came, like, see, these two are same, that is why 1. These two are not same,
Mm.
that is why 0.
Not same. Okay.
Something like this, we have one column, and the name of the column here I have put it as count new.
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you
Mm.
why I put the count new also. In the same way,
Okay.
see, we have added another column. See, that is
Mm.
this column. This time
Mm-hmm.
what it is doing, um, when it is not equal, okay?
Mm.
When they are not equal, see, first 10 and 10 equal or not equal?
Equal.
Equal means what? We have we
1.
Yeah, equal means 1,
Mm.
not equal
1.
means,
0.
yeah, but in the second
Mm.
column, in the this time we are reversing the situation, okay? If they are equal, we are putting 0. You understood? Okay, పోయింది.